I'm strawberry.
I'm blueberry. I'm grapes.
And we are the squad.
We're playing murder mystery.
Oh, mine just freaking lagged.
I got answer.
I got murder. I'm coming. I'm gonna get you. Oh, why am I not freaking running, bro? Come here. Come here. Don't shoot me. You're not shooting me. Now leave me alone. Okay, I'm eating down.
It's just me and Grace at the lobby.
Wait. Come here. I ain't letting that fly. Come back. No, get your big. Come and go. And you coming with me. When I get that feeling something ain't right, I look to my right. And I'm doing it up. Ooh, girl. Come back. You coming with me. You coming with me. Thank you. I don't have any skills, so it's I hit the jump scares. Come on.
You're supposed to call me Blueberry. I'm named Blueberry. It's okay, my name.
And you said my real name. That's fine. I'll consider it. I'll censor it. Huh? Like this?
Yeah. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Come on.
Ah.
God.
Sorry, you can hear you one kind of bit. Baby. It would have been way better if I got sheriff this round. You know what I said? Me too. I said me too. Oh, I was about to say I had a feeling that it's a blueberry, and then I heard something, and then you. Oh, that cheese touch. Ooh, cheese touch, get on my nerves. Y'all, I think this is gonna be the end of the video because we're gonna be posting what? Posting more videos. So y'all come up here or rock. Chicken nuggets.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it's just like the thing and I barely even get to it.
Okay, well, we're leaving now. Bye.
That's too bad.